Time check! Sawadee ka, Tokon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Adet, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone!
Thank you.
Good morning teacher!
Good morning
สวัสดีค่ะ Rainy morning everyone! Rainy morning! Make-up time! Good morning, Teacher Maria! Good morning, Teacher Jen! Morning! Bon appetit! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Please sit down. You're welcome. Are you ready? What can fill a room but takes up no space? Very good. What is full of holes but can hold water? Very good. What is always cold even when it's on fire? Very good. What gets wetter the more it dries? Okay, very good. Hasip ka na. What goes down but can't comes up? Very good. What has an eye but cannot see? Very good. What has one head, one foot, and four legs? Very good. What has to be broken before you use it? What becomes white when it's dirty? Okay, very good. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? Okay, very good part. 50 points. You're welcome. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Please sit down. You're welcome. What goes up but never comes down?
Okay.
What has a head but no brain?
Thank you.
Okay, very good. 50 points. Hasip ka na. Next. Tin Fong. What shoes are the rarest? Yes. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. What has a spine but no bones? What kind of fish can you find in your wallet? I have no life but I can die. I can be cracked, made, told, and played. King Ma has it kanin, 50 points.
Thank you.
Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit.
Maria. Small dapat sa'yo.
Maria.
Shame.
เขาบอกว่า 3S กับ 1L อย่างนี้ใช่ไหมหรือว่า
ใช่เขาพิมพ์นี่นะดู L เขาก็บอกว่า L เขาดูชื่อเจ้าตรงนั้นใครพิมพ์ไว้ว่า L เขาก็จะหยิบมาให้เรา Small but you know the large.
Ito large sa akin. Mine is large. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Okay, ready? Give me your score. Pour. Puwit. Ay, absent? May ma. Pipi. 27. You. Very good. Frank. Absent. Namsup. 40. Clap your hands to Namsup. Excellent Namsup. 9. 36. Very good. Olympic. Olympic, may ma? Okay, hold on. Yachts. 19. 7. Earth. 37, very good. Tonkla. 30. 36, very good. Namcham. Very good. Tonam. 38, very good. Pu. Very good. First. Very good. Ay, niyap, 9. Best. 40. Excellent. Clap your hands to best. Paint. 40. Sisip. Okay, clap your hands to paint. Team. 9. Tang. 38. Very good. Boss. 24. Pound. Very good. Gam. Gratin. 7. Baitoy. Very good. Pray. Very good. Fa. 30. Samsip. Very good. Ink. 30. 40. Clap your hands to ink. Bill. Excellent ink. Bill. Very good. Pa. 40. Excellent. Clap your hands to Pa. Cartoon. Very good. Ning. Ning. 38. Very good. Konkao. Very good. Eve. Very good. Prigtay. 32. Very good. Baitoy. Very good. Ice. Very good. Numpatch. Excellent numbers. Clap your hands to numbers. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Song kadat na, song kadat. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Okay, give me your score. Cham, tak ganay. 18, very good. Corn. May ma. Kong. 15, very good. Tio. Panya. 2. Tak. Art. 10. Hem. May ma. Draft. 13. Diamond. May ma. EQ. Gun. 14. Sipsi. Ball. Pay. 17, very good. Hand. Porping. Very good. Pan. Very good. Aran. 15. Very good. Bell. Mai. Very good. Pel. An. Lukwa. Cake. 16. Very good. Mook. 17. Pim. 16. Nana. 17. Bam. 17. Rampan. 14. Bifern. Gam. 19. Very good, Gam. Kopo na. Bye-bye, bye-bye, kopo na. Bye-bye, kopo na. Chang, isip ka na. Isip ka na. Thank you, kapandidi na, kapandidi. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Give me your score. Pang-pond. 32. Time. 35. Very good. Nat. 37. Very good. Golf. 18. Atom. Again, please. 36. Very good. August. 36. Very good. Pooh. 39. Very good. Owen. 33. Very good. Ted. Very good. Om. Very good. Kauklong. 40. Excellent, Kauklong. Clap your hands to Kauklong. Next. Boss. Boss. 38. Very good. EQ. Very good. EQ. Papang. Jay is here. Wait. Jay is here. 34. Papang. 38. Very good. Janjo. 37. Very good. Om. Very good. Nacha. 34, very good. Pat, very good. Aim, 40. Excellent. Clap your hands to aim. Okay. Next, Cherry. 39, very good. Ploy. 33, very good. Plank. Very good. Four wheel. 36, very good. Aim. Very good. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Pero medyo na akong kalimutan ng 1/7 na exam. Wait, nga, mag-check mo na lang dyan na binimagine na kalimutan. Hindi ka may kasalanan nito ba? Wala ka ba iba ng papasagot yan?